Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the ATIVAFIT Folding Exercise Bike, a versatile 3-in-1 fitness solution perfect for your home workouts. This bike supports up to 120 kilograms and boasts a folding, space-saving design, making it easy to store in compact spaces, while its 7 adjustable seat height options ensure optimal comfort for users around 5.8 feet tall. Equipped with smooth rolling wheels, you can effortlessly move it around your home, and its 8 levels of magnetic resistance offer a customizable workout experience, ideal for shared living spaces due to its quiet operation. Built with a sturdy alloy steel frame, this bike is both stable and durable, supporting a weight capacity of up to 265 pounds. The integrated LCD display keeps you motivated by providing real-time feedback on essential workout metrics like time, speed, calories, and pulse, helping you track your progress effectively. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your journey, the ATIVAFIT Folding Exercise Bike is designed to elevate your workout routine with convenience, efficiency, and performance. So, embark on your fitness journey today and experience the pinnacle of home exercise equipment with this exceptional folding bike. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.